Hi, I'm Bill, and if this is the first time dropping into my channel, welcome. I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video of the Pegasus Astro Pocket Powerbox Advance, and also towards the end of the video I'll mention where I have selected to be my first dark site. If everything works out, there's a couple of wrinkles that I have to deal with, but you know, I'll sort that out hopefully. So okay, so again, the Pegasus Astro Pocket Power Box Advance. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we open it up. Of course, there's some documentation here. I think it lists their other products and everything. I guess that's a QR code. And then let's get to the, oh wow. Okay. So in the plastic bag, here is the device. So I'm not sure which camera is going to be the best camera to show this. I'm trying something new here, working out of the Winnebago Solus, my new camper van. I might as well learn how to shoot videos in here. So this is a device. Let's see if the down camera is going to get it. Here we have some USB ports. Over here we have the 12-volt outputs, a couple of dew heater connections, and then your 12-volt DC in. So maybe I'll take some still images of this, but again, the USB side, your 12-volt DC output, and then there's some holes along the side here. Looks like a RJ11 maybe connector here, but definitely a nice fit and finish on the device. So I'm looking forward to get this up and running within the next few days. And then let's see what else we got. Okay, what is this here? Oh, a nice little Astro Pegasus image. Okay, so now what we have is we have some cables, USB 2, I believe, connection here. So maybe this is the connection that goes to the Advance, the power box, and then I guess maybe this goes into my computer. Here is a 12-volt DC cigarette style adapter to plug into my power station, and then this end here, it must be the 12-volt DC in. Yeah, that looks like that works like that. And it's my understanding there is a AC adapter if you want to run off your mains or your house power, that will accept this this connector, and then you plug it into your house power or your mains. And then there are some cables here, and these look like they would be the ones to go from the 12-volt DC output to my devices. I'll do another video showing it all hooked up. So we get 4 of those. And then in this bag, let me move this out of the way. Okay, I believe this is an environmental sensor with the, I don't know, is it RJ11? It's been a while. I know what an RJ45 is, so this is a smaller one for the, you know, telephone size adapter. So this is everything that's in the box that I received. I think I've got everything I need from this perspective right now. I do have to get some dew heaters to work with this, so if you have a recommendation on a good dew heaters, one for my Zenastar 61, and then of course one for my my guide camera scope, please make a recommendation in the comments. I would appreciate that. So now my next step is to get this connected to my gear, my autofocuser, my camera, those type of things. And then the third step will be figuring out how to attach this to my mount or the dovetail that I have currently, but I'll figure that out. And then to test this out, I'll be able to use my Jackery 240 Explorer power station. Turns out that is 16 amp hours. So now to the kind of wrinkle. I've picked my first site that I want to do as a dark site, and I decided the Black Rock Playa over in Northwest Nevada would be a good place. I'm sure there's issues like wind and other things, and of course weather will always be an element, but the Black Rock Playa is where also Burning Man is held, but they won't start to build Burning Man City until I think the August time frame. So I'll have a few months to work out of the Playa, and that will be my first imaging site. But my Massimo 500 watt power station, which is a 50 amp hour power station, has hit a snag. It's not been shipped to me yet, and it's going on 3 weeks, and I can't get Costco or even their vendor to respond back to me to understand what the situation is. I figure at the price of $3.99 for that power station, there was probably some high demand, so maybe they just don't have something to ship to me and they haven't told me yet. I'll make a decision in the next couple of days if I just go out and buy another power station, even though it'll be more money. All right, so this was just a short little video. I like what I see here with the Pegasus Astro Pocket Powerbox Advance. I'm looking forward to getting it hooked up and test it out. And I'm really looking forward to getting back out. Someone had referred that maybe the North America Nebula, and there's another nebula associated with Pelican Nebula, might be in the sky. So I'm going to go into Stellarium. Actually, I have, and see for the first site that I'm going to image from, which would be the Black Rock Playa. What does that look like? What time does it rise? How, you know, above 15 degrees or 30 degrees? And I'll start to figure out and plan an imaging session for out there. And I'm really looking forward to that. I was hoping to do it over the Memorial Day weekend that's coming up here in the United States. But again, without sufficient portable power, I'll only be able to do so much. But if nothing else, maybe I can get out there and be amazed by all the stars and how dark it is, and learn to work in a really dark location. Am I going to be able to find Polaris when there's that, you know, one thing about here where there's not many stars visible, because I'm in a Bortle 8.9, it's pretty easy to pick out Polaris. but when the sky is that full of stars, because it's a really dark sight, am I going to be even able to pick out Polaris? So I got a lot of things I'm going to learn in the process of going to my first dark sights. Okay, if you do like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, I appreciate new subscribers, but most of all, I appreciate people taking time to ask questions or to comment, because again, I'm a beginner and other beginners might be viewing this channel, and so as you share your knowledge, not only do I get up my learning curve a bit faster, so may others who may be reading the comments as well. Other than that, till next time.